Hi, I'm James with J&C Home Repair. Today what we're going to be talking about is how to repair a running toilet. It's a fairly common problem around the house. First of all, we're going to let you know what kind of tools that you're going to need to do this project. It's basically pretty simple. All you're going to need is a pair of needle nose pliers and a brand new flapper valve that fits your toilet, whatever name brand it is. You need to make sure that you get the right flapper and not the wrong one, or it won't work. Okay? First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the cover off of the toilet tank, and the flapper valve is down in the very bottom of the middle of the tank. If you'll notice on the new flapper, there's a chain that's hooked up to the handle, so every time you flush the toilet, it pulls the chain and lifts the flapper valve up and allows the water to come out of the tank and flush the toilet. Okay, when you hear that water running all the time, it's because water is leaking up underneath this flapper valve and it's not getting a good seal. So that's the most common problem on a running toilet. So what you want to do is you want to get your needle nose pliers, remove the hook off of the handle. Okay, you're going to remove the hook off the handle in here, and it's hooked up to the drain assembly right here on the flapper valve, and all it does is just snap right into place. You slide it right over the drain assembly here, you hook it on, put it down there, and put your hook right on the handle, and you're good to go. That's the easiest way to fix a running toilet. If you got any more questions, just contact www.jnchomerepair.com.